Intensity Minutes is a new and helpful metric available on compatible Garmin devices. The World Health Organization and other leading health organizations recommend adults get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity activity per week. Moderate intensity activities are those where the intensity is low enough that you can hold a conversation, but high enough where you cannot sing. Examples of moderate intensity activities are brisk walking, playing doubles tennis, or casual bicycle riding on a flat surface. Vigorous intensity activities are those where the intensity is high enough you cannot say more than a few words without pausing for breath. Examples of vigorous intensity activities are running, singles tennis, or riding a bicycle uphill. To see how you track against these recommended targets, Garmin gauges your activity throughout the day. See garmin.com/AT accuracy. While your device can accumulate intensity minutes outside of a timed activity, we recommend that you use the timed activity feature on your compatible device with either integrated wrist heart rate or paired with a chest heart rate monitor for the most accurate calculation of intensity minutes. Your device will start awarding you intensity minutes credit once activity level has been high enough for 10 minutes. Your Garmin device will then analyze metrics derived from comparing your current heart rate versus your average resting heart rate. Based off this analysis, your device will award you moderate and vigorous intensity minutes accordingly where applicable. For compatible devices without wrist heart rate or a paired heart rate chest strap, your device will analyze your number of steps per minute. This formula can only measure moderate intensity minutes. Then, your device totals the number of moderate intensity minutes with the number of vigorous intensity minutes. Your number of vigorous intensity minutes are doubled when being totaled to account for their higher intensity. Though you have all week to reach the recommended goals, you can check on your progress anytime throughout the day and whether or not you have to step it up the next few days to meet your goal for the week. You can adjust your intensity minutes goal and view more detail about your weekly progress on our free Garmin Connect mobile app or by logging on to garminconnect.com on your computer.